Compound Interest Video 5. Welcome back. We're going to utilize that specialized worksheet that we modified there in Video 4 to verify some correct answers here in Compound Interest 2017 Test 3. So if you don't have this Quizlet up and running already, go ahead and do that. And then once you get it, go ahead and click on the flashcards. And if you're not having this particular part of the card come up first, there's the problem and then the answer. What you can do is just go to options and just have definition show up first. It says answer with definition. Go ahead and do that. And then what you can do is take that and minimize. And let's put it over here on part of the screen, maybe about a quarter of the screen, about like that. That way we'll have a little bit more room to work with our worksheet. And then bring up that worksheet, which was modified worksheet 5. And there it is. And this is the one where we made sure that we put in those references to the location of principal, rate, and time for calculating interest. And we put in some absolute references, those dollar signs. And then go ahead and size that to where you can see most of your worksheet. I'll do it about like that. There we go. And then I'll go ahead and do this first problem with you. And then you can go ahead and do the others and check them. And then what you will do is have me come by and demonstrate the use of your worksheet in confirming that the P, R, and T compounded at the given time flows through your worksheet, and you're able to identify the correct account balance for that period of time at given the principal, rate, and time. So let's do the first one together. Find the balance in the given account after the given period. $12,000 principal. So go ahead and type in $12,000. 4.8%. And compounded annually, so one time per year. And once you do that, you will see all the changes go through. And now we're looking at after 7 years. So we need to go down to the 7th compounding period. Well, let's click over the card and see what the answer is. $16,661.35. Let's go. Here we are. Period 7, come over to account balance and zoom in on that. There it is, $16,661.35. Well, I'm enjoying this. Let's do one more. Go to the next card. $500 principal earning 4% compounded quarterly after 6 years. $500. Interest rate of 4%. Compounded quarterly for 6 years. So quarterly now, you need to ask yourself again, how many quarters in a year? 4. So it's going to be compounded 4 times per year. So we've got to adjust our time to reflect that. So a couple ways you could do it. You could go ahead and some of you already know that a quarter of a year is 0.25 in the decimal value. Or if you're not sure, you can always come through and go, well, how many months in a quarter? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So there's 3. So we want to know that period of time. And so we've been doing this frequently. 3 divided by 12 will give us our 0.25. 6 years. How many compounding periods will we need? 4 times a year for 6 years. Yes, if you said 24, that's correct, because 4 times a year for 6 years, 6 times 4 equals 24. And so we do have 24 compounding periods here. Let's go on down. We're going to be interested in this value right here. Well, let's click the card over. $634.87, and Look at that. You did the calculation correctly. So there you go. Go ahead and for the rest of this video, for this assignment, use Quizlet. I believe there are 6 more here that you can confirm. And then after you do that and practice a little bit, have me come by and just demonstrate that you are able to use this compound interest table that you have created in Microsoft Excel.